Welcome to the Kilsaran paperless docket system video tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through using Kilsaran's new electronic ticketing system for ready-mix concrete, blocks, aggregates and asphalt. Our digital transformation portal enhances efficiency and sustainability by reducing paper and centralizing your order information. We'll cover everything from setting up accounts, placing and tracking orders, to accessing your e-tickets and downloading your data via the portal. Whether you're a new or existing customer, this tutorial will help you navigate and use the system effectively. You can easily navigate the sections of the video which apply to you by following these timestamps listed in the video table of contents. So, let's get started. How to set up and access your account. Admins. If you're an admin user, your Kilsaran Key Account Manager will set up your username and password and send them to you via email. If you've not received access, contact appsupport@kilsaran.ie. Once you receive these, you can access your account by clicking the link in your email. This will take you to the account login page. Click on the Customer Login button. From here, you'll be taken to the login screen. Enter your username and password, select the language, click the Login button. You've now successfully accessed your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password on the login screen, and you'll be able to reset your password from there. How to set up and access your account. Backroom office and site personnel. If you're not the administrator of your account, you need to download and activate the Sima CMS mobile app before setting up your account. Go to the Google Play Store for Android devices or the Apple App Store for iPhones to download the app. Once you've downloaded the app, open it and scan the QR code in the email from your administrator by clicking the QR code button in the app. Now you can set up your username and password, add your details, select your language, and don't forget to press the Save button. You're now ready to use the portal on your mobile, tablet, or desktop computer. How to navigate the portal. All users. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see the home screen in the middle of the screen. There's a group of icons for easy navigation through your tasks. The number of icons you see depends on the usage rights assigned to you by your administrator. We'll explore the functionality of each icon in more detail later in the video. In the top right of the window, there's a hamburger menu for further navigation. Clicking on this menu lets you access the home screen icons, change your password, get help with the portal, and log out of your account. In the top left window, you can also navigate to the home screen or move backwards and undo steps to switch between screens. Admin User Guide. How to set up new users. Once you've logged into your account, click the Settings icon on the home screen. Next, click on the User Administration icon at the bottom of the screen. Click on the New User icon to bring up the New User Details screen. Fill in your new user details, then select their permissions to tailor their usage inside the portal. Don't add the settings option, as this will give them administrator permissions. Click Save to add your new user. Your new user is now added to your account. If you can't see their details at a glance, use the Search User feature at the top of the screen to find the user you've just added, and ensure their details have been added successfully to the account. You are now ready to assign projects to the new user. By clicking on User Administration, you can navigate back to the user's home screen. Admin User Guide. How to assign projects to users. From your main home screen, click on the Settings icon. Next, click on the Projects for User icon. You'll now see all of your users displayed. Select your user and click on the pencil icon on the right-hand side of the table header. Select the project you want to assign to your user, click on the Save button, and it will turn green. At this point, you also have the option to set all delivery tickets for this project by email. To do this, click on the Send Delivery Tickets by Email icon on the right of the project selection. Next, click on the Save button at the bottom of the screen to ensure your user is assigned to the project. Now that you've set your user up with the project, you can email the new account and project details to your user. To do this, first navigate back to the user screen by clicking on the back arrow in the top left of your screen. Next, click on the User Administration icon. Find your user. If they're not immediately visible, use the Search for User function at the top of the screen. Once you've located your user, you can edit their details and settings at any point by clicking on the pencil icon at the top right of the table header to double-check all the details are correct. To send the details by email, select the user record. Once it's highlighted, you will see the Send Access Data email icon at the bottom of the screen is now active. Click the button, and a confirmation box will pop up to confirm your email has been sent. Backroom Office User Guide: How to view orders. Once you've logged into your account, you'll come to the home screen. Click on the Orders icon, select the order schedule you want to review, click the Show icon at the bottom of the screen. The orders for that selection will now be displayed. To get more information on a specific order, click the small grey arrow on the left of the order, and an accordion drop-down panel will display additional order information. To hide the information, click the arrow again. Once you've finished, you can navigate back to the home screen by clicking the back arrow in the top left corner of your screen. You can also search for orders by using the Project functionality. Click on Orders, set up your dates, select the drop-down arrow, choose your project, then click Show. This will then display the orders for the project. This is very helpful for sites with multiple projects. You can also use the same functionality when looking for delivery tickets. Backroom Office User Guide: How to manage delivery tickets. From the home screen, click on the delivery icon. Click the calendar and select the date you want to review. Next, click on the Show icon on the bottom of the screen. The delivery tickets for the project will then be displayed. To view the delivery ticket details, click on the picture icon on the left beside the date column. The delivery ticket image will pop up. You can now check for delivery times, dates, products, quantity and additions, returns, signature, and site admins. Please close to hide the ticket. For more information, you can download all delivery ticket information by clicking on the File Export button from the menu at the top of your screen. This creates a .xls file, which will download to your Mac or PC. Use the Product No Filter button to select all or a range of order numbers before exporting. You can also customize your user interface by clicking on the column chooser. Here, you can choose the data columns you want to display and drag and drop to shuffle the order of the columns. Don't forget to save to ensure your selected interface settings are kept for the next session. You can also download delivery tickets by clicking the Download button in the menu. Site Personnel User Guide: Viewing orders. From the home screen, click the Orders icon. Select the order schedule you want to review, then click the Show icon at the bottom of the screen. The orders for that selection will now be displayed. To get more information on a specific order, click the small grey arrow on the left of the order, and an accordion drop-down panel will display additional order information. To hide the information, click the arrow again. Click around a few orders to become familiar with the process. Once you've finished, you can navigate back to the home screen by clicking the back arrow at the top left corner of the screen. Site Personnel User Guide. Viewing live orders. From the home screen, click on the orders icon. Select the order schedule you want to review. Then click the Show icon at the bottom of the screen. The orders for that selection will now be displayed. Look for your order that's in progress. It will have the word Started highlighted in blue. Click on the 3 small dots labeled Vehicles to the left of the status column. This will show an active order. Next, click on the map icon in the top left of the window. This will reveal your live order tracker, showing your vehicle status, geolocation, and time to destination. You can navigate the map view to see multiple vehicles en route to your sites. Click the back button or use the main navigation menu to return to your home screen at any time. Thank you for watching our tutorial on the Kilsaran paperless docket system. We hope you found it informative and helpful for using our new electronic ticketing process. By choosing our paperless system, you're enhancing efficiency and contributing to a more sustainable future. If you have any questions or need further assistance, contact our support team at appsupport@kilsaran.ie. Thanks again, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.